I have a king palm that produces really large palm fronds, and I cut them off in the early spring and I let them dry out, and now I'm going to wood chip them through. I'm gonna do it a couple of times to hopefully get it to be a nice, almost like straw-like consistency, and that way I can use it in the garden bed, or I can put it directly into my compost pile and hopefully it'll break down faster that way. So this is what it looks like with the first round of just chipping and going through. Did an okay job. This stuff right here, the real fine stuff, was that the pile I had first tossed in that I'd cut earlier. But it at least cuts it up and disposes of it better. But I'm gonna run all this through a couple more times so you can see how well it really breaks down. At the last minute, I decided to go and get some horse manure. I wanted to add it in with the palm fronds that I was shredding up because I decided to add it all into my compost pile instead. Not really sure how much of a difference it makes with just manure. I know if I were to add in like wood chips or something else, other carbon, it would. But yeah, I guess it does break it up pretty nicely. So I've already filled the bag up. I did not put that much horse manure through it. Let's go take this bag to the compost pile and see how it came out, and then we'll mix that in. So this is my compost pile back here and my sift up top. It was cooking, I want to say 2 weeks ago. It was right at 160 for close to a week. It was cooking really nicely. It's dropped about a foot now, but the temperature is definitely cooling down. I'm going to add in this horse manure and then water it, and then hopefully that'll get it back up and help finish cooking off, because it is fairly close to being done. Like nice compost that I can add to the garden, which is perfect because winter is coming and I'm getting ready to plant all of my winter crops in the garden beds. So I have this nice pit now. It's about 3/4 of the way down. I want to say it's right around here. You can't see, but it is about 3/4 of the way into the compost. Time to add in the horse manure. Okay, that is it for right now.